The dawn of humanity. The journey of humanity begins with our earliest ancestors, whose evolutionary paths diverged millions of years ago. Fossil records suggest these hominins slowly adapted, developing bipedalism and larger brains, setting the stage for a lineage that would eventually lead to modern humans. Exploring the African genesis of modern humans reveals a complex process of evolution characterized by significant changes in morphology and behavior. Africa, rich in diverse habitats, provided the environmental pressures that propelled the development of Homo sapiens, who exhibited advanced tool use and cognitive abilities. Climate change played a pivotal role in human evolution, acting as a catalyst for migration and adaptation. As the Earth's climate oscillated between glacial and interglacial periods, early humans were forced to adapt to new environments, leading to key evolutionary developments such as increased brain size and versatility in diet. The shift from foraging to farming marked a revolution in human diets and social structures. Agriculture allowed stable food sources, leading to population growth and the establishment of permanent settlements. This fundamental change provided the basis for economic, social, and technological advancements. The development of language transformed human interaction and cooperation. As the most effective means of communication, language enabled the sharing of ideas, strengthening social bonds and facilitating cooperation across large groups. This was crucial for survival and success in a changing world. The development of tools marked a profound shift in early human societies. Stone, bone, and wood were crafted into tools that made hunting, gathering, and processing food easier, allowing our ancestors to thrive in diverse habitats. This technological leap laid the groundwork for more complex societal structures and technological advancements. Migration patterns of early humans out of Africa are a testament to our species' adaptability. As they spread across continents, these early explorers faced varied climates and terrains, from lush forests to arid deserts. This dispersal not only illustrates human resilience, but also the beginning of cultural diversity as groups adapted to new environments. The discovery and control of fire was a pivotal moment for early humans. It provided warmth in cold climates, a method to cook food, making it more digestible and safer, and a deterrent against predators. Fire also became a social focal point where communities would gather, strengthening social bonds and cooperation. Social structures in early human communities were complex and varied widely between groups. These structures were likely influenced by environmental conditions and available resources, dictating the roles individuals played within their groups. Over time, these arrangements facilitated the development of more organized societies with distinct hierarchies and roles. Prehistoric art and symbolism represent some of the earliest forms of human expression and communication. Cave paintings, carvings, and ornamental objects served not only as aesthetic expressions, but also as means for transmitting knowledge, cultural beliefs, and personal or communal experiences across generations. Understanding the genetic evidence of early human diversity reveals that our ancestors were incredibly varied. DNA analysis shows how populations adapted to different environments, leading to a rich tapestry of human variation. This diversity is crucial for understanding how our species survived various challenges throughout prehistory. The extinction of other hominins like Neanderthals and the sole survival of Homo sapiens are intriguing aspects of human history. Studies suggest that our cognitive abilities, social structures, and perhaps even our aggressive tendencies may have given us an advantage over other hominids, allowing us to survive while others perished. Diet played a pivotal role in the evolution of human bodies and brains. Early humans who started consuming meat gained vital nutrients, which facilitated brain growth. This dietary shift had profound implications, not just physically but also in terms of societal changes, such as the development of hunting tools and strategies. Early human innovations, such as the creation of stone tools, control of fire, and development of language, were critical for survival. These advancements allowed our ancestors to manipulate their environment, communicate more effectively, and establish complex societies, which were essential for their success across various landscapes. The cognitive revolution refers to a period when significant changes in human brain structure and function occurred, leading to enhanced intellectual abilities and social behaviors. This revolution drastically changed human interaction and cultural expression, setting the foundation for art, religion, and more complex societal structures. The significance of storytelling and myths in human societies cannot be understated. These narratives served not only as entertainment, but also as a means to pass down knowledge and values. Through stories, early humans could share experiences, explain natural phenomena, and strengthen communal bonds, all essential for survival in a harsh prehistoric world. Archaeological findings have continuously reshaped our understanding of early humans. Discoveries of tools, cave paintings, and burial sites provide a glimpse into the daily life and cognitive abilities of our ancestors. These findings help scientists piece together the evolution of human behavior and social structures over millennia. Comparative anatomy, particularly the study of bones, reveals much about human evolution. The skeletal differences and similarities between humans and other hominins highlight adaptations to environments and lifestyles. For instance, changes in skull shape and size indicate the development of larger brains, correlating with increased cognitive functions. The evolution of hunting strategies marks a significant shift in how early humans interacted with their environment. The development of tools like spears and bows allowed for more efficient hunting, which in turn supported larger groups and led to more stable food supplies. This advancement was crucial for the growth of early societies. Water played a critical role in the settlement patterns of ancient humans. Proximity to water sources influenced where early communities were established, affecting their ability to farm, gather food, and maintain hygiene. Settlements near water were more likely to thrive, illustrating the fundamental dependency of humans on this vital resource. The domestication of animals marked a pivotal evolution in human society. As early humans began to tame and breed wildlife, they secured more reliable food sources and materials for clothing and tools. This shift not only altered their diets but also influenced their migration patterns and social structures. Early human burial practices provide a window into the spiritual and cultural beliefs of ancient societies. By examining burial sites, archaeologists gather insights into the social hierarchies, rituals, and even the everyday life of our ancestors. These practices indicate a deep awareness of life, death, and possibly an afterlife. The development of clothing was a significant step in human adaptation to new environments. Utilizing materials from hunted animals and later cultivated plants, early humans could survive in colder climates. This adaptation was crucial for migration and enabled humans to inhabit diverse, harsher regions worldwide. Changing landscapes played a critical role in human migrations and settlements. As ice ages reshaped the geography of the planet, humans were forced to adapt, moving to new areas that could support their way of life. This constant interaction with varying environments helped humans become incredibly versatile survivors. Early forms of governance likely emerged from the need to manage broader social networks and resource distribution as communities grew. These governance structures might have started as simple hierarchies or councils within tribes, laying the foundational principles of leadership and social organization that would evolve into more complex forms over time. Conflict and cooperation were integral to early human societies. Evidence from ancient burial sites and weapons suggests that prehistoric communities engaged in warfare, yet there are also signs of alliances and trade between groups. These interactions likely promoted the sharing of technologies and cultural practices, shaping the evolution of social structures. The dispersal of humans into Asia and Europe marks a pivotal chapter in human history. As groups moved into varied climates and landscapes, they adapted their tools and strategies for survival. This migration led to the development of diverse cultures and the exchange of ideas and genetic material across continents. Innovations in shelter and housing provided early humans with protection from harsh climates and predators. The use of natural materials like wood, bones, and skins evolved into more complex constructions. These advancements not only offered safety, but also facilitated the growth of larger, more stable communities. The role of children and family structures was central to the survival and continuity of early human societies. Families were the primary unit of education and skill transmission, crucial for passing on knowledge of hunting, gathering, and social norms. Strong family bonds also ensured mutual support and care within the community. The emergence of trade and exchange networks among ancient humans was a significant step towards modern economic systems. These networks allowed for the exchange of goods like tools, food, and ornaments, which were often transported over long distances. This not only enriched the lives of early humans, but also fostered cultural connections and cooperation between distant groups. The impact of ice ages on human evolution and migration is profound. As glaciers advanced and retreated, they reshaped landscapes and climates, forcing early humans to adapt or move. These adaptations often led to significant evolutionary changes, including physiological and behavioral shifts that helped humans survive in varied climates. Early humans' interaction with wildlife was integral to their survival and evolution. They depended on animals not just for food, but also for clothing and tools. This relationship influenced their hunting strategies and migrations as they followed animal herds across vast landscapes. Over time, these interactions also fostered a deep knowledge of animal behavior. Maritime skills and coastal settlements signify a major leap in early human ingenuity. As early humans mastered the art of building boats, they accessed new resources and territories. These skills facilitated the spread of cultures and technologies, as coastal areas often became hubs for trade and cultural exchange. The role of disease and health in early human communities cannot be underestimated. Infectious diseases likely shaped social behaviors, leading to practices of quarantine and herbal medicine. The health of these communities directly influenced their survival rates, social structures, and even migration patterns, as healthier populations were better able to expand into new territories. The transition from nomadic tribes to settled communities marked a pivotal shift in human history. This shift allowed for the development of agriculture, permanent homes, and larger populations. Settled life led to more complex social structures and innovations in technology and governance, laying the foundation for modern civilization. The development of agricultural techniques revolutionized early human societies, enabling the transition from nomadic lifestyles to settled communities. This shift allowed for increased food production and population growth, fostering the development of complex social structures. Over time, these agricultural practices spread, profoundly shaping the course of human history. Leadership and hierarchy became essential as early human cultures grew more complex. As communities expanded, the need for organized governance led to the emergence of distinct social roles and power structures. These hierarchies helped in managing resources, maintaining order, and leading group activities, which were crucial for survival and development. Early humans expressed their spiritual beliefs through various forms of art, from cave paintings to ritualistic objects. These expressions provided insights into their worldviews, values, and the mysteries they pondered. Art not only served aesthetic purposes, but also played a role in social cohesion and spiritual practices. Reconstructing life from prehistoric evidence presents significant challenges due to the fragmentary nature of archaeological findings. Each discovery, however, offers invaluable insights into the daily lives, environments, and evolutionary paths of ancient populations. Researchers must piece together these clues to form a coherent picture of past human existence. As the study of human origins continues to evolve, many questions remain unanswered. Future research directions may leverage advances in technology and genetics to uncover deeper understandings of human evolution. Each finding not only fills gaps in our knowledge, but also frequently raises new questions, perpetuating the cycle of discovery.